Hey guys, Meta 35 here, Breakers TV. Guys, we're doing a half a case 2014 Bowman Chrome football break number 17. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in on this. Here we go. Yeah, it is. And the thing is like, I mean, and the things that Keith guy say to me is insane. Like, dude, you're trying to steal my cards. I'm like, dude, I just want you to pay for your stuff. Or you're never getting my money, never, until I get my stuff. I'm like, Keith, we already agreed on that you want me to combine all your teams, and so I can just priority ship you it all. I'm like, I already have the label for you. I messaged, like, you blocked me on Facebook, all that stuff. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, what in the world? And so, yeah, it's unreal. And then, like, why would I keep his stuff? Like, I've made mistakes, like, but I have more and more to make up for it. You know, I either find the card that if I accidentally make a mistake on, replace it, pay for it, whatever. I mean, I'm only human, but like I just can't believe it. I actually gave him free teams, like, because he was giving me my wife's gonna kill me attitude. I got way in too deep, and then he got into a break on Tuesday over the Colts out of the Prime Signature 2016. Well, I said to him, man, I can't honor your bid. Like, I got to sell your team. And I said to him, like, can you please, like you said, pay this Friday? Because he kept on a week, next week. And he's like, no, I'm not paying it all now. Like, what? It's crazy. Insane. What-dee-doo. Oh, a Klondike bar. It is what it is. Is what it is. Did you get any teams out of this easy? You don't do football, do you? He doesn't do football, do you, bud? No, you don't. He's along for the ride. Packers? Yeah. Well, I got my store all ready to roll, so I think I'm gonna make just a few breaks in there and just do some small breaks on eBay or something, and then just, hey guys, I got breaks going on tonight. But right now there's only 2 people, so it's kind of when there's like maybe 10, 12, maybe, I don't know. Who knows? It is crazy how, which is awesome that people still love this Bowman Chrome. Like, it's kind of sad that Topps isn't going to be doing it anymore. You got a bunch, or not priority, like 40 pounds of cards. Ridiculous. Then all your stuff last couple of days. I'm gonna go out tomorrow. It's So did you get it already then? The priority one of all your Brewers? Did you get that package already? Saw a red. Oh, you haven't? Okay. I say that's crazy. I think it went out on. You should get it tomorrow. I can check the tracking for you if you just let me know. If it's not tomorrow, I'll be surprised. It should be tomorrow. If not, I'll get the tracking for you. Facebook it to you. Saw a nice red one in there. I think this break's going to be sick. I don't know how do you guys. I think it's going to be sick, maybe. A lot of colors. I don't know, though. Let's see. I'll throw that, and then we'll pull just garbage. What's up, Mason? It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It's fun. Guys, I will be on a little bit tomorrow during the evening on my other site I broadcast. If you guys follow me on Facebook, boxbusters.tv, I'm going to be doing some things on there tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to get going. It's been a while since I've been on that site, but I'm going to start going on there Monday. It's going to be Sunday, Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, doing some different things. I'm going to get my Twitter going tomorrow and Instagram. Hopefully, see how it goes. I suppose. Have a good night, man. It's just me and Crimson. I'll message you easy about it all tomorrow. You minus break credit and all that stuff. It won't be too bad. So I feel bad you didn't hit. And if whatever reasons, if you need a little bit more time, just let me know. No problem. No problem. Something comes up and you want to break it up or whatever until I'm good with that. Yeah, yep, appreciate it. Look at that one. You guys probably can't see it. This might be a monster right here. I think it's out of 10 maybe. I don't know, it's really shiny. I don't know, I think this break's gonna be killer. I really do. I don't know why. I think this break's gonna be a killer, Crimson. I don't know why. It might just be the 271 version, but it looks different than that one, so I don't know. But it might be that 271 Prism, but I don't know. I don't know. I like the red one in there. Just talking to me. The red keeps talking to me. The red card. Trying to tell me to do something. I don't know what. Let me get this too. I like it because it's cheap. Like a lot of those guys, like, and I'm trying to have a different type of target market. Like I'm not trying to, I know a lot of people love that NT and stuff. Maybe I need to start doing that. I mean, I don't know. It gets so expensive sometimes. Some people told me to start. I thought about doing is like just pricing my teams out. Be like that's what they are. With a little bit of profit. With the fees and all that, and the shipping but I don't know. Like, because MT right now, like I said, I got a few cases, but like if I get it now, it's already over and done with. There's no money really to make for me. For other people, yeah, but that's why Jumbo. Yeah, that's why Jumbo right now baseball. I mean, it's gone up $60 a box. $60. People also don't realize a lot of these breakers, they all have backers. They all have like guys that are millionaires that are backers. Like all these different channels of breakers, and normally they're just one guy backing up all these different breakers. And people don't realize that. Did you know that or not? I mean, some of them are, by themselves, but a lot of them all have backers. Yeah. We'll see all these guys are backed up by guys that have deep pockets. So, like, they only get, like, a percentage of the breaks. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Last time. Oh, yeah. For sure. All right, there it is, guys. 2 stacks. Bowman Chrome. Good luck. Here we go. 271, Ben Roethlisberger. Prism. Steelers. Black Clowney out of 299 for the Texans. Refractor. Oops, sorry about that. Dolphins refractor. Ryan Tannehill. Refractor. Jarvis Landry. Dolphins. Randall Cobb blue out of 199 refractor. Packers. Base. Jarvis Landry die cut. Bowman best. Dolphins. First hit. Oof. Trey Millard. The Niners are on the board. There we go. Not the Carlos, but the Trey Millard. 49ers. Cool. Fractor, Drew Brees, Saints. Brandon Cooks, top shelf for the Saints. Base. Got a blue coming up. Kevin Norwood, blue refractor, 199 Seahawks. Tom Brady, 271. That's pretty cool. 271. Patriots. Tom Brady. There we go. 71 or 271. It's got like a little like dust on it. It's kind of weird. Jeff Janis, bubble, Packers. Yeah, it is. Those Prism 271. It's weird. Bortles, mini, Jaguars. Charles Sims, Bowman Best, Buccaneers. Doug Martin refractor, Buccaneers. Okay. Those ladies. There we go. Jared Abadiris, blue. You're just talking about you pick the Packers. This guy's a beast too. You're going to see a lot of Jared Abadiris next year in the offense. This guy's a beast. Packers. 199, Jared Abadiris. Cool, that's a nice hit. Packers. You're right. You're right, Easy. I've heard that too, but we'll see. Maybe next year. He's got a lot of talent. That's what's his name's fault too. Trent Richardson's always fault. Martin, he's an idiot. Refractor. Can't read the holes. Jimmy Garoppolo, blue. Patriots refractor. Tom Savage, top shelf with the Texans. Are you really? I used to be a Viking season ticket over there. I hate the Vikings just because they're close to where I live. 4 hours, I guess, to me that's close. Holly, Chiefs refractor. Tamba, is that how you say his name? Tamba. Refractor, Kevin Norwood, Seahawks. Really, that's cool. Kelvin Johnson refractor. Lions. These feel weird today. Jimmy Graham for the Saints, blue, 199 for the Saints. Kevin Benjamin, Panthers. Mini. Stephen Tuitt refractor. Steelers. Oh, what's going on? Internet shut off. Guys, I lost my internet. I have to wait for a second. Lost the internet. Ron Anthony Barr. Right now. Glad it's still recording. Shoot. Take a break, guys. Lost the internet. Sorry about that. Back up and run soon. Are you back? Hello? Make sure you refresh. All right, guys, I think we're back on. Back off on the Anthony Barr. Yep, okay, we back. Sorry, guys. Internet died and then everything crashed. We left on the Anthony Barr. The recording is still going on, so I hate it when that happens. All right. It's like ever since the fire, like everything has just been terrible. Here we go. Anthony Barr. Everything just went to crap. Tavon Austin. Rams. Refractor. Prism. 271. Panthers. Prism. Panthers. Cam Newton. Refractor. Trey Mason. Rams. Kadeem Carey. Bowman Best. Bears. Guys, look at the video. You can see I didn't touch the cards or anything, so camera's still rolling. You guys back for sure? Hello? We good? We good? We pulled only 2 autos so far. These 2. So, Cody Latimer, top shelf, Broncos. Bubble, Vernon Davis, out of 99. $26 and 99, Vernon Davis, bubble. 49ers. We got that one card coming up. Looks like Stephen Morris. Ugh. Jaguars. Stephen Morris. Got that shiny card coming up though. Pretty stoked about it. Stephen Morris for the Jaguars. We wanted the Blake Bortles instead. Stephen Morris. All right, here it comes. Von Miller. 9 of 10 for the Broncos. That's pretty cool. 9 of 10 for the Broncos. Von Miller. That was that shiny one. Von Miller. It's a nice card. 9 of 10. I knew it was going to be out of 10. That's pretty cool. Von Miller, Super Bowl MVP. Nice hit. Jordan Matthews, Bowman Best. All right. Let's keep rolling. Here we go. There we go. Terrence West for the Browns. We can do better than that for hits. Terrence West for the Browns. Ryan Grant Refractor, Redskins. Luke Kuechly Refractor, Panthers. Blue Refractor, Tehran, the Cardinals. 199 for the Cardinals, Blue Refractor. Refractor, Austin Jenkins, Buccaneers. Teddy B, Bowman Best, Vikings. Johnny Money Manziel, there he is. Starter, Browns. Andre Williams, top shelf, Giants. All right, here we go. Last stack. Good luck. Blake Bortles, Bowman Best, Jaguars. CJ Mosley, blue for the Ravens at a 199. Cody Hoffman, refractor, Redskins. Robert Quinn for the Rams, refractor. Derek Carr for the Raiders, mini, base. Here we go. Black, Luke Thomas out of 299 for the Cardinals. Black refractor. Pierre Garçon, Redskins. Jake Matthews, 271 for the Falcons. Prism refractor. Woohoo! Mike Evans, franchise mini. And Odell Beckham Jr. Bowman Best. Giants. Antonio Brown refractor. Steelers, we're having fun. Here we go. Todd Boyd, Bowman Best. Jets. Base. All right, here we go. Trey Mason, top shelf for the Rams. Mike Evans, Bowman Best, Buccaneers. Javion Clowney, top shelf for the Texans. Jordan Lynch, blue refractor for the Bears. Nice. Base. DeMarcus Ware, refractor for the Broncos. Allen Robinson, refractor, Jaguars. Got the red coming up, Silas Red. That's funny, I just said we got the red coming up, Silas Red refractor. Nice. Darrell Revis, Patriots refractor. Here we go, guys. We got a little bit of red action. Good luck. I saw this earlier. Oh, still not a bad hit for the Bills. CJ Spiller for the Bills. Congratulations to the Bills. CJ Spiller. 18/25. Not the red we wanted, but it's a red refractor. CJ Spiller. Bills. I swear I thought this break was going to be better than this, but we're not done yet. Here we go. Nick Foles. Eagles blue. For the Bills, wow, we pulled this one last time. 2 blues in a case. Bailey Seahawks. No, you don't. You have the. Let's see. What teams do you have again? You have the Chargers, Eagles, Jets, and Titans. Unless you have them on Facebook. I mean, unless you're on eBay. I can't remember. But that's what you bought from me. Bailey Seahawks, $1.99. Fractor. I pulled that blue yesterday, too. The same one. Last stack, guys. Here we go. Still waiting for a monster. Trey Mason. Rams. Got another shiny one. I think that might be out of 10 as well. Or a super. I think we might have a super coming up. You see it? I don't know. Sammy Watkins mini. Might have a super coming up. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Ryan Tannehill. Oh, I thought it was out of 271. Looks like it's different. Color device is 271. I don't know. Prism. I thought it was maybe a super how it looks, but shoot. Teddy B rookie. Bubble. Frank Gore. Out of 99 for the 49ers. Jay Cutler refractor for the Bears. All right, here we go. Greg Robinson refractor for the Rams. Money Manziel rookie. Oh, Steven Tuitt for the Steelers. That was great. I did great with my Chrome. I did great with my Jumbo 16 Bowman Chrome. You are not doing so well. Steven Tuitt. Steelers. See, it looks so different here. The color, you see that? And I don't know. Neil, Packers refractor. Jordan Smith, that's just 271. Jordan Lynch. Pulling all the colors of Lynch. 271. Prism. Last stack, guys. Here we go. Thanks again for joining in tonight's break. Here we go. Clowney, Texans mini. Refractor, Denard for the Bengals. Marion Goose, Chargers. There we go. Crimson got a hit. This guy's actually, I guess maybe not. Grease. A variation. Isn't this his variation? I don't know, maybe. That was Jason Verrett. Jason Verrett is the guy you want, but I think this is his variation, though. I think it's a different picture. I don't know what to look. But Chargers. Chargers on the board. Jason Verrett is a beast for the Chargers, so he's going to be a good player. Blake Bortles. Oh, I thought maybe could be cool if it was an auto out of 199. Jaguars. Yeah, it works. That's right. It's a hit. Marcus Lee. Jaguars. Bowman best. The whole point to me is doing this with the cheap teams anyways is to see if you can get a gold or a super. Devin Street for the Cowboys refractor. Kelvin Benjamin, Bowman best for the Panthers, and that's it. Well, guys, I thought it was going to be a killer break, and it wasn't. Oh, Von Miller is pretty cool. Here we go. Von Miller out of 10. That's the best hit. It's a nice hit out of 10. Thank you, sir. CJ Spiller out of 25, right refractor. Marion, Chargers. Steven Tuitt, Steelers. Bailey out of 199, Seahawks. Terrence West, Browns. Stephen Morris, Jaguars. It's a nice hit. Packers. 199, Jared Abadiers, Packers. Trey Millard for the 49ers. Guys, made a 35-year Breakers tee. Just completed a 6-box break. Excuse me. 2014 Bowman Chrome football, guys. Thank you so much for getting in tonight's break. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me through eBay. Thanks again, guys. Hopefully we'll see you. I got some breaks for tomorrow and the next day. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. You guys all have a fantastic coming week. Hope you guys have the best day ever. Talk to you later.